Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now before you do anything, make sure to hit that subscribe button and follow me over on Instagram if you can, because I would love to have you there. For this video I thought we could make an updated version of one of my initial videos, which was how to say how are you. Ciamar how. Ciamar how. And to me that rolls off the tongue, it's easy to remember, and I just thought that is a good learner way to say how are you, Ciamar how. But I will say that that is a more friendly use of the term how are you. So you would say it to people that you know and friends, and I know that many other people have learned how to say Ciamar how shiv, Ciamar how shiv, Ciamar how shiv. And you might say that to someone older, someone in authority, a group of people. It is probably your safer option to say how are you if you don't know what the correct way to say it is. Ciamar how shiv is probably your better known use. Now I was speaking one friend to another, I was saying Ciamar how, probably speaking to someone you know. So just as a quick response to that, you might say haguma, haguma, haguma. And if you saw one of my previous videos, you will know that ma is the word for good. So haguma, I'm good, I'm well. As an extension of that, you could say hamiguma tapalet, hamiguma tapalet, hamiguma tapalet. Now tapalet is the way that we say thank you. Again, that is how you would say it to people that you know, just in a friendly tone. I am well, thank you. Now if you were again to speak to a group or someone in authority, you might want to say hamiguma lyve, hamiguma lyve, hamiguma lyve. And again, that is maybe a safer option for you if you're speaking to people that you don't know too well, or who are older or in authority or a group. So another way to respond, you might want to say o chanel donne, chanel donne, chanel donne. And again, if you saw one of my previous videos, you will know that donne is the word for bad. Now chanel is the word for no, not. So I'm not bad, not bad. Chanel donne, not bad. I thought I would add this one because family speaking to family, we quite often say hammy ski, hammy ski, hammy ski, and that means I'm tired. You've had a hard day. I'm knackered, I'm tired. And if you wanted to ask someone else in return, how are you doing? You would say Ciamar how fhèin, Ciamar how fhèin, Ciamar how fhèin. How are you yourself? How are you doing? So I hope that gives you a little bit more to go on in terms of saying how are you to people. And thank you so much for watching my video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.